Hi students, in previous class we discussed about Dalton's law of partial pressure. So in this class we are going to discuss explanation about Dalton's law of partial pressure. What is the Dalton's law of partial pressure? What is the Dalton's law? Here P total equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. Okay. P total equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. Then here what is P total means? The pressure exerted by the total gaseous mixture is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of individual gases is called Dalton's law at constant volume and temperature. Volume and temperature are constant. Okay, volume and temperature are constant. See, according to ideal gas equation, explanation. So according to ideal gas equation, PV equal to nRT. Okay, from this P total is equal to nRT by V. It is equation number 1. From this I am writing P total, then P1, P2, P3, then adding. Okay, see here, then P1 equal to N1RT by V. So this is equation 2. Then P2 equal to N2RT by V. This is equation 3. Then P3 equal to N3RT by V. This is equation 4. Okay. So according to Dalton's law, so what happened? P total equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. P total equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. What is a P1? N1RT by V. Plus what is a P2? N2RT by V. What is a P3? N3RT by V. Okay. This is a P total. Then here P total equal to N1 plus N2 plus N3 into RT by V. It is equation number 5. Okay. Now equation 5 dividing equation 5 is dividing with equation 2. Okay. Equation 5 is dividing with equation 2. Then what happened? P total by P1 equal to N1 plus N2 plus N3 RT by V RT N1 by V. So V cancel, RT cancel. Then what happened? P1 equal to N1 plus N1 N2 plus N3 into P total. Okay, then here in the place of this one P1 equal to X1 I am writing, then into P total, then here P1 equal to partial pressure of first gas, then X1 equal to mole fraction of first gas. Okay, then P total equal to total pressure exerted by the gaseous mixture. So it is P1 equal to X1 into P total. So this is the relation between partial pressure and mole fraction of the gas. This is the relation between partial pressure and mole fraction of the gas. Based on this, we are going to solve a problem. So it is in textbook 4.6, page number 124, problem number 4.6. Okay, so problem 4.6 in textbook. So write down what is the problem is given means a neon dioxygen mixture containing a neon plus oxygen mixture containing 70.6 grams of dioxygen, 70.6 grams of O2 and 167.5 grams of neon. If the pressure of the mixture of gases in the cylinder is 25 bar, P total equal to 25 bar. What is the partial pressure of oxygen? Partial pressure of oxygen PO2, we have to find partial pressure of oxygen, we have to find. Then partial pressure of neon PNE we have to find. Okay, so this is the problem given to us. So a neon dioxygen mixture containing 70.6 grams of O2, 167.5 grams of neon, then P total is 25, then partial pressure of O2 and partial pressure of neon we have to calculate. Then solution. Okay, here P1 equal to X1 into P total, like that we want PO2. So PO2 equal to XO2 into P total. Okay, like that PNE equal to XNE into P total. Okay, so here number of mole fraction of oxygen, mole fraction of O2 equal to XO2. Okay, this is formula. NO2 by NO2 plus Ne. Okay, next number of moles of O2, it is nothing but a NO2. It is equal to weight by gram molecular weight, equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Weight is given, then how much weight? 70.6 grams by molecular weight of oxygen 32, atomic weight is 16, so 2 oxygens means 32 grams per mole. Then 70.6 by 32, how much? That is nearly 2.21 moles. 2.21 moles. Okay, and then it is number of moles of oxygen. Then you have to calculate number of moles of neon. Number of moles of neon. See here, number of moles of oxygen is over. Then number of moles of neon, this is NNE. Okay, equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Weight means 167.5. 167.5 grams by 20 grams per mole. So 167.5 by 20 means 8.375 moles. 8.375 moles. Now total number of moles. Total number of moles is equal to NO2 plus NE. Okay, NO2 how much? 2.21. 2.21 plus 8.375. So 8 plus 2, 10.585. 585 moles. Okay, then we have to calculate XO2. XO2 means mole fraction of oxygen. Mole fraction of oxygen XO2 equal to NO2 by NO2 plus NE. NO2 means how much? NO2 2.21 by NO2 plus NE 10.585. This is how much? 2.21. 0.21. 0.21. It is XO2. Okay. Then XNE, mole fraction of neon. Then NE by NO2 plus NE or NNE, whatever it may be, NNE plus NO2. This is equal to 8.375 by 8.375 by 10.585. And this is how much? 0.79. 0.79. Okay, it is mole fraction of oxygen, it is mole fraction of neon. Then partial pressure of oxygen. Therefore PO2 equal to what is formula? XO2 into P total. So XO2 is nothing but a 0.21 into 25. Then how much? 25 is 50. Okay, that is nearly 5.25. 5.25 bar. Then therefore PNE is equal to XNE. Okay, XNE into P total. Then what happened? This is equal to 0.71, 0.79 into 25. So how much? Total pressure is 25 minus 5.25 means 19.75. 19.75 bar. Okay. So this is partial pressure of oxygen. This is partial pressure of neon. Understand? So this is the problem. Important for 4 marks. Important. The problem is important for 4 marks. Okay. This is briefly Dalton's law of partial pressure explanation and problem based on Dalton's law of partial pressure. Okay. Then we go for kinetic molecular theory of gases. That is very important question comparing to this. Very important question that is. Then you have to know mole fraction. Mole fraction means number of moles of one component. It is the ratio of number of moles of one component by total number of moles of all components in the solution. Okay, that is we are going to discuss in stoichiometry. Here you have to know number of moles by total number of moles. That is how to remember. Okay, then here you have to know kinetic molecular theory of gases. Kinetic molecular theory of gases. Very important theory it is. Kinetic molecular theory. Kinetic molecular theory of gases. See, it is very important for 4 marks. So if it is your question, what is the need of discussing kinetic molecular theory of gases means to knowing the behavior, some assumptions are given according to kinetic molecular theory. The theory given some assumptions how the gases behavior, how the knowing for the knowing of gases behavior, we have to discuss about kinetic molecular theory of gases. Okay, see, it is the vessel. Okay, in this one I am taking gas. In this one I am taking gas molecules. Gas molecules like this. Okay. So here what I mean to say, gases contains small tiny particles are called molecules. In gases, small tiny particles are present. They are called molecules. See, first point, small tiny particles. Small tiny particles are called molecules. Okay. The gaseous molecules, the molecules randomly move in all directions with different velocities. Okay. The gases, the molecules randomly move in all directions. Okay, they move in all directions like this. This direction is like this direction is like this, it 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 is like this. So, direction is not particular. So, randomly move in all directions. See, with different high velocities. So, each particle having velocity is different, not same. Okay, then see, when randomly moving, the gas particles are collide with each other. Collisions takes place between the gas molecules. Collisions. Collisions takes place between the gas molecules and walls of the container. Collisions takes place between the gas molecules and walls of the container also. Okay. When they collide with walls of the container, they exert some pressure. Okay. Molecules exert some pressure. Okay. When they are colliding, there is no change in its energy. So, the collisions are perfectly elastic. When colliding gas molecules, neither lose energy nor gain energy. What I mean to say, energy is a constant, means the collisions between the gas molecules are perfectly elastic. So, collisions are perfectly elastic. Collisions are perfectly elastic. Okay. So, here if you compare to volume of the gas molecule and the total volume of the container, the volume of the gas particle is negligible. Why? Because it don't having any volume on comparing to volume of the container. Here volume of the gas molecules is of the molecules is negligible, on comparing to volume of the container. And one more time, there is no attractions and there is no repulsions between the gas molecules. Here no attractions and no repulsions between the gas molecules. That is one more point here you have to know. No attractions, no attraction and repulsion forces between the gas molecules. Then here, if kinetic energy increases, if temperature increases, then kinetic energy also increases. Means here, increasing temperature, so increasing temperature, then what happened? Kinetic energy, temperature increasing, then kinetic energy also increases. So what I mean to say, kinetic energy is directly proportional to temperature. Increasing temperature, and then kinetic energy also increases. Therefore, kinetic energy is directly proportional to temperature. This implies kinetic energy is equal to kT. So you have to know. So kinetic energy is directly proportional to T. Then if you want to remove this proportionality, you have to keep a constant. Then what happened? K equal to kT. So this is briefly kinetic molecular theory of gases. According to kinetic molecular theory, the gases contains a small particles are called molecules. So molecules randomly move in all directions with different velocities. So when molecules are moving, collisions can be takes place between the gas molecules. Okay, when molecules are colliding, there is no loss of energy, there is no gain of energy. What I mean to say, the collisions are perfectly elastic. At the same time, when are colliding with the walls of the container, they exert some pressure. Okay, due to pressure, see, the volume of the gas molecules are negligible on comparing to volume of the container. Why? Because gas molecule volume is very small, so we may neglect. And then no attractions and no repulsions between the gas molecules. Then increasing temperature, then kinetic energy also increases. So kinetic energy is directly proportional to T, then K equal to kT. So this is very important question for 4 marks. Very important question it is. Definitely this question you are going to face 2021 April exams. Okay. This is today's chemistry class.